Thank you for checking out SK Lifestyle. This is going to be a quick video on how to get the back seats out of the LX570 or your 200 series Land Cruiser if that's what you have. So yes, there is a ton of room in the LX, but there would be more room if we had these two seats, which are out of the way. Obviously they stand up, so you know, having this room is going to give us an extra couple square feet, maybe like, you know, 6 or 8 square feet, and that makes a difference. So anyway, here's what we do. First step, you're going to need a couple tools. Probably a power drill, that's what I would suggest, in a 14 mil. And then you want like a little popper for plastics or whatever. And then the only other thing I would suggest is a blanket or something, because once you take this out, you're probably going to want to put it somewhere. And if you're in your driveway, you don't want to put your nice seats on the concrete. So have something to put it on, grass, whatever. Anyway, so first step is to pop this baby off right here. Not too bad. Use a little bit of force, but you know, not too much. Now, we just need to get off the piece down there. So let's go ahead and do that. The carpet. Until it'd be a perfect time once I remove this. I was going to anyway, and then I remembered. I was like, well, let's go clean the truck before, you know, we take it out. And then I'm like, oh, let me take the seats out first. So then we just need to take this piece off. All right, so there's gonna be some clips on the inside in different places. Mainly want to get this piece off, this one down, kind of reach underneath and just start to pry from the sides, and then you should be able to get it off. If you've never taken these off like me, it's probably going to be like most plastics and a little difficult. Same thing, a little bit of force, not too much, just give it some grace and it'll get done. What we want to do here is just back this out a little, and let's see, which one am I on, the right? Okay. So just back this up a little. It should stop in a second. Put my plastics down here while I'm waiting. Get those out of the way, make sure I don't mess those up. And then it's just very simple. We're gonna take these two off, and then we're gonna take this off. We're gonna take this off, and we're gonna take this off. So let me do that right now. This one right here is a bit tricky. So obviously it's butted up against this. So if you take your little tool or whatever you have, this is great because it's bent. So once you get in here, you can kind of go inside. Let me zoom it in. You can squeeze on it, and then you can see down there, you get the little white thing to disappear, and then you could just pull down on this and get it to come out. That's the best way to do that one. The rest are all pretty straightforward. This is a simple job, but if it's in the heat, you're still gonna be sweating like me. Anyway, next part is the easiest part. So we got 4 bolts right there, that one, this one, that one, and that one. We're gonna take those all off, and once we do, this whole thing is gonna be loose. So remember, as you start to loosen it, this is gonna fall. So you may wanna just kinda put your shoulder against it or something, just so it can kinda brace as it comes down. There you go, now you can see we're loose. I'll give you a better angle in a second. Oh, we got a little pup cup hiding back there. So there we are, it's all loose, and now I just need to put it down, get it out the way, and clean up. There you go, simple. Now I'm gonna do the other one, and I'll give you a clear shot of everything. The reason why you back it out is because it's clipped. So you don't wanna do all this work, unconnect it all, and then it's still locked into the side of the wall. So you just back it out a little, wait for it to beep like I did, and that's the whole reason for it. I'm sorry I didn't explain that earlier, but hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and the notification bell. SK Lifestyle. Last pro tip, these are still kind of like looped in underneath, not tight. You just got to move it out the way. So before you just yank the whole thing off, just make sure this is tucked in out of the way so that way you don't end up ripping that and causing yourself more problems, more costs. So yeah, but there you go. You can see that's a lot of extra room to stack up totes and stuff, especially if you're on a trip or whatever, or if you're doing this because you want to do one of those cool like customizations where they get rid of the whole back seat permanently, do like a camping setup. Well, this is how you do it too. But either way, it's quick, it's easy, it only takes a couple minutes really. Like, it took longer to shoot the video. I mean, I did both of these in about 3 minutes total. So hopefully this video is about 3 minutes long. If you appreciate it, again, hit that subscribe button down below. SK Lifestyle, appreciate you watching. See y'all next time.